to quickly go over this trade I took. Unfortunately, I got stopped out right before the dump. As you can see here, I made my entry around 10:09, and I got stopped out, and then it dumped. That was this area right here. So I'm going to show you on the footprint and the heat map what happened here and here. Both very good entries. So in the morning on this rejection, why I wanted to get in, I'll show you the context behind it as well on a regular chart. But okay, so we rejected here. I want you to look at the volume profile, okay, as we rally. Okay, see that push up right here? You see how aggressive those buyers came in right there? Aggressive buying came in at the highs. Now, why I was seeing that before. I got in at 10:09, right? So on this push up, all that aggressive buying was coming in, but price was really struggling here, right? The morning was very slow. So I made my entry here, and then I got stopped out, and then it dumped. But on the regular chart, as you know, I gauged the stronger index at its resistance. So in this case, in the morning, NQ was stronger on this rejection. So NQ had this key level right here at 20,538, and it's also ranging right now. So if you watch previous videos, you know that in a ranging environment, breakout failures are very likely. So in this case, NQ broke out of yesterday's price, hit this key level, and rejected. Now, if we zoom in a little bit, 10:09, I made my entry, and as you can see, at 10:05, we had the volume spike and ticked that level uh, to the tick actually, and pair that with ES. I had a supply zone here, right? We were still in the supply zone. I'm seeing all the strong buying on the heat map, and price can't go anywhere. So that's why I made my entry there. And unfortunately, I got stopped out, but that happens. It's still a great trade, and I wouldn't take it back. Now, I should have got back in after this 5-minute candle closed, right? Because that's a reversal candle, but that's fine. Now I want to talk about. Well, actually, let me show you the footprint chart. So same area, all right? I got in at 10:09 here. So again, you can see all that buying, right? All that aggressive buying here. So my entry on the footprint makes sense too. But again, it looks even better here when all that buying comes at the breakout, and selling comes in immediately right after. So you can see that right here, strong buying, and then look at the strong selling thereafter. So now let's talk about the bounce over here, right? 6-hour demand zone. NQ came back into its pre-market lows, and on the footprint chart, you're gonna see tons of selling. Okay, and price couldn't go any lower. 2,000 negative delta. Okay, all of this selling down here, price couldn't go anywhere. It looks even better on the heat map. So right here, you can see already the aggressive selling. Now, I want you to take a look at the volume profile, the delta profile, right? Before that had happened, right? Now, we had aggressive selling on the push down, right? You can see 500, 700, but look how much more it was at this area. We had over 1,000 over here, right? That means over 1,000 aggressive sell orders were happening here, and they couldn't push price much lower. Now, again, it comes into context because if you're trying to just short or reverse the trade every time you see a large difference in the delta, you're going to get smoked. But if you do it at a key level and when it's significant like this, right? Again, in candlestick chart, ES is at a demand zone, and NQ came back to its pre-market lows. So you need those confluences. Volume is spiking, volume's going crazy. But I left my desk before this happened. This is me simply reviewing it, and I'm gonna end it there now. So I didn't see anything else over here that looked great. It was just this reversal here and this reversal here looked really good on the order flow tools. So I'll end it there. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. If you're learning anything, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.